back to the Magic Kingdom. We kind of needed a Magic Kingdom day because it's been a lot of stress and moving. Friends and neighbors, we are in Act 3 of our big cross-country move, and today we are at the Magic Kingdom. The little man has already been up to no good, kissing on the Main Street performers, one of which was a dear friend of Katie's. Anyway, the day moves on. Alright, first thing on the agenda today, fast passes at Kaysen's favorite, oh golly, fast passes at Kaysen's favorite, maybe second favorite ride, Buzz Lightyear Space Rangers Spin. Was that fun, Peanut? Alright, Fantasyland. Ariel, Winnie the Pooh, those two rides are both at a 10-minute wait, so we're going that direction. Ariel herself is at a 25-minute wait, so who knows? She may go let the kids smooch on some princesses. We'll find out shortly. Yeah, are you excited to see Alice? Are you going to give her a sticker?
Hey, go take a tour.
Look, Mimi, look. Yep, you tried.